Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to turn non-security alerts on NameCheap. So for that guys, first of all you will need to log into your account on your desktop and then select account. Now select profile. Now get on your left side, scroll down till the last, select security. Now get on your right side, scroll down, select the second edit option. Now select this button right here. Now scroll down, select one of these options like this and then select on next button. Now select on this button right here like this and again select on next button. Now you need to enter here the verification code that they have sent to your email address. Now select on save changes. And as you guys can see that I have successfully activated my security alerts on NameCheap. And that's how you guys can do it, and that's it for the video guys. So if you find this video helpful, then make sure to share this video with your family and friends, and also subscribe to our channel for more such content, and thanks for watching.